Hey YouTube, how we doing today? Well, we've got something very interesting in the shop. As you can clearly see, it's by Kabar. I mean, come on. That knife profile is freaking iconic. This one, it's a first, and I hope you guys like it as much as we did. So stay tuned right after we roll that intro, and we're going to get right into it. Alright everyone, as you saw by that intro, we're going to take a look at the Kabar Mark 98. Now I've pulled the screen back out to its usual thing so you can see it's not a fixed blade. This is a folding knife. And this is a very first by Kabar. Now Kabar is an iconic American utility fighting blade. Recently, Kabar's kind of branching out into the everyday carry, series. So we're going to take a look at their first ever flipper blade. Now, before I show you the blade, it only came with one little bit of usual crap right in there. The limited lifetime warranty. Alright, now getting that out of the way. Here she is. I mean, obviously closed. I do like the overall look of it with the brown and black, like dual tone G10 scales. I thought that was cool. I love the fuller, which is iconic of Kabar blades. I love the fact basically they extended it almost the whole length of the blade. Don't call it a blood groove, it's a fuller. Now, their usual name, but what got me, they're making these in China. And I'll get to that in just a second. What Kabar really wanted to go with was something that was affordable, for everybody. Because honestly, have you took a look at a price of a Kabar blade? Those guys can get kind of expensive. So they did a lot of looking on how they could cut some costs. They went with, well, in my opinion, a lower end steel. I would have liked to have seen them use that like 1095 Crovan that they usually use in their Kabar blades. Simply because you've got the recognition, you've got an iconic brand. Don't skimp on the steel. That's just my, first thoughts looking at it. Okay? So let's do what we usually do, get into the stats and everything. And I got to tell you guys, fit and finish on this thing is beautiful. It sits wonderful in my hand. I mean, the centering, hopefully I'm getting that right, pretty much dead on right out. Everything just feels smooth. The only thing, you got to play with it a little because, well, it does not have ball bearings. It's got some washers in there, and it makes some of the opening a little tough, but it's opening a lot easier than when I first got it. But here we go. It's got an overall length of 8.125 inches. The blade is 3.5. And closed, it's 4.625 inches. Now, it's got a neat weight to it, like most Kabars do, of 5.12 ounces. It's heavy enough that you know it's there, and it has a good fit in your hand and a good feel, but it's not overpowering your pocket, so it's kind of sitting in there and dragging your pocket to one side. Now, this is what I was talking about. The blade steel, I was a little disappointed. 5CR15 stainless steel with a Rockwell rating of 53 to 56. They went with a lower end steel to reduce cost. Kabar, even when I saw one of their press releases, said, I know this may upset some people. We may revisit this in the future. Personally, I hope you do. I wouldn't mind paying a couple extra bucks to have that Crovan steel that they usually put in their Kabars in a folder. I think that would be freaking amazing. Now, they said the blade finish is gray, so hopefully you can kind of see that. They call it a spear point, which I can kind of see. I can kind of see it. It looks like more of an aggressive drop point to me, but I get it. Now, on two separate websites, they said it was either a hollow grind or a flat grind. Now, I'm going by Kabar's, which they said a flat. Now, this is something I thought weird. Kabar usually sets all their blade edges at 20 degrees. This one is set at 15 degrees. So if you use guided sharpeners, you're gonna have fun, especially if you use like one of the Lansky systems, you know, with the stones that you're going back and forth on. Have fun with that. Now, as you saw, it does have a liner lock, stainless steel frame. What I thought was cool, you can carry it either tip up or tip down. You know, it's basically right-hand carry, but tip up or tip down. Now, like I said, it is made in China. They did that to help reduce costs. And before I forget, just ordinary paper, and yeah, I write notes down on a lot of stuff, so I try not to forget stuff when I'm doing these videos for you guys. Haven't touched it at all on a single stone. That's right out of the box. I haven't even run it over a strop yet. That is right out of the box. Seriously, I just got this in my hands maybe about an hour ago. I think I got it out of the mailbox. And I was pretty inspired to go ahead and shoot this video. Now, I'll be honest, I belong to a Facebook group, and I saw someone post his video in there, and it piqued my interest to get my hands on the first flipper open from Kabar. I kind of like it. Honestly, I really do. I think I'm going to everyday carry it for a while, just to see how it works, how it feels, and any other drawbacks that I may do a follow-up video on. But, as we always do in these videos, we took a look at the costs and ratings. Now, we looked on Amazon, Kabar's website, and Blade HQ. On Amazon, it's going to run you $20.99. Kabar's website, $24.21. And over on Blade HQ, $15.95. We also took a look at the ratings. Now, it's only been reviewed 2 times, only on Amazon. It's never been reviewed on Kabar, and it's never been reviewed on Blade HQ. It got a 5 out of 5 star, rating over on Amazon, but like I said, 2 reviews, so that's a pretty freaking small sample size. But there we go, guys. This is my very quick look, at the Kabar Mark 98. I'd like to know what you think, as always, please, down below in the comment section. Leave me your questions, comments, I don't know, gripes, complaints, hatred, whatever. I don't care. Leave them down there, guys. And, the usual, as we do in the wrap-ups here, if you're a first-time viewer of the channel, I'd like to thank you so much for taking a moment of your day to view this video. I know there's lots of options out there on YouTube, and it really, truly touches me that you chose my video. You're going to see a symbol popping up right down here. That's going to be our little channel logo. Go ahead and click on that. That way it's going to bring you right to subscribe. Please subscribe. Please do the subscribe. It's only going to help us grow and be able to bring more and just incredible things to the channel. After you've clicked on that subscribe button, go ahead and destroy the bell icon that's right next to it. That's going to notify you every single time we upload a brand new video. Now, speaking of videos, 2 are going to pop up over here. Those are going to be videos that YouTube is going to select from my catalog of videos that they think are going to be a great viewing experience for you. There we are, guys. My very, very quick look at the Kabar Mark 98. Thank you from the bottom of my heart for watching, and I hope you have an incredible day today.